Fix in 5. Got a P0533? Let's break it down. What it is, why it happens, and how to fix it. Your car is telling you it's not okay. Believe it. First, the symptoms. Check engine light illuminated with P0533 diagnostic code stored, loss of engine power and sluggish throttle response, abnormally elevated fuel consumption, unusual turbo or compressor noise, whistling, or knocking. Now the most likely causes. Turbocharger wastegate valve stuck in closed position, most common. Defective MAP sensor or corroded electrical connection providing incorrect signal to ECM. Or leaking boost air piping. Malfunctioning turbo pressure regulator. Obsolete or corrupted ECM software failing to control boost pressure correctly. How to fix it. Clean or replace MAP sensor and inspect connectors for oxidation or loose connections. Inspect and free up wastegate valve. Replace if stuck or damaged. Repair or replace damaged boost piping and inspect all seals. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. What does it cost? Roughly €45 minus 120 doing it yourself, or Euro 165 to 240 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. People also ask, will P0533 cause my vehicle to fail an emissions test? Yes, an active P0533 fault code will typically cause your vehicle to fail an emissions or smog test, as it triggers the check engine light and indicates a monitored system failure. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0533. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.